Hello guys, this is Shurifur, founder of Exenius. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up your macOS for installing any Laravel applications. For that, first of all, you need a localhost server. For that, we suggest to use Laravel Heart. You can simply scroll down, click on download for macOS. It will take a while to download the file. Once you have downloaded the file, open it, double click on it, you will find option to install it. Just drag this to the applications folder. In my case, I already have this, that's why I am not installing it again. This is the first requirement. Once you have installed it, once you have installed the Laravel Heart, open it. It will add an icon on the top. If you click on settings, it will show you a settings like this. First of all, you have to select a folder where your Laravel file will be stored. In my case, it is stored in the localhost. Let me show you how you can add another part. Click on the plus icon and it will pop up this and go to desktop. Select any folder you want to add here. Let's say I have added this folder. Inside this folder, I can keep all of my Laravel projects. So this is how you can add project path, which is known as a heart path. And now I am going to show you how you can set up PHP Node.js for Laravel Heart. Click on PHP and you are gonna see a lot of PHP versions. You can install PHP 8.1, 8.2, 8.3. For now, most of the cases, those three are fine. You can also install PHP 8.4. It's totally up to you. Once PHP is installed, let's move to Node.js. You can install Node.js version by just click on install now. I am using two versions of Node.js, one is 20, one is 22. Just in my case, I already have those. That's why I am clicking on update. So once this update are done, there is next move is to install and configure Homebrew for Mac. For that, close this for now. Go to this website, brew.sh. If you don't have Homebrew, you need to go to brew.sh and then open terminal, copy this code, hit enter. It will ask for you password. In my case, I already have this installed, so I am not going to install it again. You can just click on continue to install it. Once this is installed, now it's your time to install MySQL. Just you can also search it from here. Type MySQL. Here it is. It will bring you to this place. So most of the cases, our script support all the latest MySQL versions. You can just need to click on this brew, install MySQL, open terminal and enter it, just hit enter. It will install the MySQL in your system. Once MySQL installation is done, now you have to go for a MySQL database viewer. In our case, we are going to use SQLs. which is free for Mac. You can, if you want, you can use any other solution. To install this SQLs, click on macOS App Store. It will pop this up. Click on Open App Store. Now click on, in your case you will find the button name is installation or install. You can simply hit that button, it will install it. In my case, I have already installed this. That's why it's showing. Update is done. Now we will open it. When we will open it for the first time, we will not see anything like this host, username or any other information. What we will do, we will type a name localhost, we will type a host localhost, we will type a username is root, then click on connect. Once it is connected, you will see all of your created database here. What you will do, you will create a database. Simply go from choose database, add database, new database. This is name of database. Click on add. Now, since we have already created our database, also we have configured Laravel Heart, we are good to go. Let's open Laravel Heart once again. Settings. Our node is installed, PHP version is also installed. Since we have configured Laravel Heart, MySQL, SQLs properly, and also install PHP versions and Node.js versions, now it's time for install Nazmart application into our localhost. Once you have downloaded Nazmart file from Envato, you will see this kind of zip file. Click on it. Need to unzip this. Once unzip is done, click on it, and you will find two folders. One is documentation and the other is installation file. In some cases, you might see this folder name is main file, but installable file and the main file both are actually the same file which you need to use for installing the system. In the documentation folder, you will find a index.html file. When you double click on it, this icon, this will land you in our documentation website, which is pretty rich. It has almost everything covered which you need to configure for this using this script. Let's back to the folder, and now we will copy this file and move it to our hard path. If you remember, in the first we have configured Laravel hard path. In my case, I have configured it for localhost. Now I will go to the localhost and create a folder named Nazmart. Open it, paste the file. Now it's time to unzip it. Unzip is done. Now we will remove the zip file. We will move everything outside of the folder. Now we have to remove this folder. We don't need this anymore. Okay. Now we will get back to the Laravel Heart and go to sites. If we scroll down, now we should see a name which is Nazmart.test. We have to click this lock icon for make this website secure so that it work properly. Once you have made this secure with this lock icon, click on this URL. It will load the page for process installation of Nazmart script. For process further, we have to click on I agree, next step. Here you have to add your Envato username and your purchase code. If you don't know how to get your username and purchase code, you can simply click here. It will open a documentation which will guide you how you can get your Envato purchase code. For the Envato username, let me quickly guide you how you can get your Envato username. First, you need to go to your profile, click on profile, and if you see after the URL user / this is your actual username, you have to copy this and paste it here and your purchase code, and if you want you can add your email which we will use to send you your license key for getting automated update. For the privacy purpose I am not showing you this part. I will again continue from the server requirement. Once you have completed your purchase verify, you will land to this page. This is basically checking all the server requirements as currently okay or not. By seeing all are green, that means we are good to go. Click on next. This is also good to go, and this is also good to go. Now we have to configure our database informations as well as our admin login information. Let's first fill up admin login information. In my case I am typing my name and my email. So if you remember, we have created a database in the SQL. Let's go back to SQL and check the database name, which is new underscore database. And if you close this and open again, you will find the username of MySQL database. This is basically most of the cases is it stay root. Since we have not set any password, it will be empty. Let's quickly configure database, and our username is root, database name is new underscore database, password is empty since we have not set any password for MySQL user. Now scroll down, click on check database connections. Database connection is success. Our installation is also success. Now you will able to see your website by click on visit website. It will show you all the website is properly installed with all the content. If you see, there is two other things which is very important for Nazmart, which is basically you have to configure wildcard subdomain. You have a documentation here. If you click on it, you will see wildcard subdomain configuration documentation. We have it for various panel, C panel, A panel, flex panel. Also we have a setup suggestion for cron job. If you open it, you will see suggestion for cron job documentations, which we have covered a lot of panel, which is CloudOS, flex panel, C panel, hosting gear, A panel, direct admin, OBS cloud, and cloud panel. There is few other things which you need to set up for your script to work properly. One of the most important thing is actually email SMTP. Let me show you how you can do this. For that, you have to go log into your admin panel, enter your admin login password, and we have logged into the admin panel. Now if you scroll down, you will see a general settings, and if you scroll a bit down, and you will see SMTP setting. You have to configure your SMTP settings first to work it properly, otherwise it will not able to send any kind of emails. And the second thing is actually you have to configure your Google reCAPTCHA to make these things work properly for preventing you from spamming users. Here you can add your Google reCAPTCHA site keys and then click on active, it will be active. So that's all for now, how you can install Nazmart into your macOS. I hope you will able to install this on properly, and if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.